Welcome back to Insider Tube. Today we're diving into artificial intelligence, what it is, how it works, and how it's changing our world. Before we start, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any insider tips and tech insights. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a branch of computer science that teaches machines to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. In simple terms, it's about making computers smart enough to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Remember, artificial intelligence may do tasks we associate with human intelligence, but it doesn't think like a human being. AI is simply the simulation of human intelligence in machines, allowing them to think, learn, and act in ways that resemble human behavior. Before we explore which aspects of human intelligence are simulated by AI, let's first understand what human intelligence really means. Human intelligence refers to the cognitive abilities and mental capacities that allow humans to learn, reason, solve problems, understand complex ideas, adapt to new situations, and use language effectively. It is a broad and multifaceted concept that encompasses various skills and functions. Alright, you get what human intelligence means. So next, let's break down the aspects of it that AI copies. First up is learning, what we call machine learning in AI. Humans pick things up through experience, while AI trains on data. Think of a self-driving car. It improves by studying thousands of road scenarios. Next up, reasoning. Humans rely on logic to solve problems, while AI runs algorithms to make decisions. A good example? Your AI assistant suggesting the quickest route after checking live traffic. Number 3, memory. Humans remember past experiences, while AI stores and retrieves data to improve its future responses. For example, chatbots remember your previous interactions to give smarter answers. Number 4, language understanding, also called natural language processing. Humans speak, understand, and write language. AI, meanwhile, processes and generates human language. For example, AI like ChatGPT, it can understand your questions and respond just like a human. Number 5, creativity. Yes, AI can be a little creative too. Humans imagine, create art, compose music, or write stories from their own ideas. AI, on the other hand, generates new content by analyzing patterns in existing data. For example, AI can draw stunning pictures, compose original music, or even write poetry, all by learning from what's already out there. It's like having a digital artist or musician at your fingertips. Number 6, emotional intelligence. Yes, AI can simulate emotions to some extent. Humans naturally recognize and respond to feelings in others. AI, on the other hand, can detect emotional cues in text, voice, or even facial expressions. For example, a customer service AI might notice if someone sounds frustrated and adjust its tone to respond more calmly and helpfully. It's not really feeling emotions, but it can interact in a way that feels emotionally aware. Number 7, perception, how AI sees and hears the world. Humans perceive the world using their senses. We see, hear, and touch. AI, on the other hand, uses cameras for vision, microphones for hearing, and various sensors to feel its environment. For example, facial recognition apps can identify people, and speech-to-text apps can convert what you say into written words. It's like giving machines a digital version of our senses. Step 1. Data collection. AI begins by gathering huge amounts of information. This could be images, text, audio, or anything else. The more data it has, the better it can spot patterns and make smart decisions. Step 2. Data processing and cleaning. Not all data is useful, so AI has to clean it up first, removing errors, duplicates, or anything irrelevant. This way, the AI learns only from high-quality, accurate information. Step 3. Training with algorithms. AI learns using algorithms, which are basically step-by-step instructions or rules. In machine learning, these algorithms help AI spot patterns, connections, and trends in data so it can make smart predictions or decisions. Step 4. Model building. After learning from data, AI creates a model. Think of it as its brain. This model allows AI to analyze new information and respond intelligently, making decisions based on everything it has learned. Step 5. Testing and evaluation. Before AI goes to work, its model is put to the test. It's given new data it hasn't seen before to check how accurate and reliable it really is. Step 6. Deployment and feedback. What can AI actually do? Let's look at its major tasks. First up, learning. AI doesn't just follow fixed rules. It gets smarter over time using machine learning. This means it improves its performance by learning from data. Real-life example. YouTube recommendations. When you watch videos or movies, AI studies your preferences. Next time, it suggests similar content that matches your taste. The more you watch, the smarter the recommendations get. This shows how AI can learn from experience, your past behavior, and improve its performance by giving better suggestions every time. Next up, reasoning. AI can solve problems and make decisions by analyzing information, spotting patterns, and applying logic much like humans do. Real-life examples. 1. Google Maps, GPS navigation. AI looks at traffic, road conditions, and distance. It figures out the fastest or best route to get you to your destination. This shows how AI uses reasoning to analyze data, make smart decisions, and solve problems just like we do, but at super speed. The third, understanding language powered by natural language processing or NLP. AI uses NLP to read, interpret, and respond to human language, whether it's text or speech. Daily life example. Google Translate AI understands the words you type or speak. It then translates them accurately into another language in real time. This shows how AI can process and understand language, making communication across languages easier than ever. Next up, pattern recognition. AI can spot regularities, similarities, and trends in data, which helps it classify, predict, or make decisions, just like humans do. Daily life example. Face unlock on smartphones. AI studies your facial features and learns the unique pattern of your face. It unlocks your phone only when the pattern matches. Other common examples. Handwriting recognition on tablets or banking apps. Voice recognition in virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa. This shows how AI can detect and identify patterns in images, speech, and handwriting, making technology smarter and more human-like in how it understands the world. Fifth, interacting. AI can communicate with humans or other systems using language, gestures, or actions, responding in a way that feels smart and aware of the context. Daily life example. Chabits, you type a question or request. AI understands your input and responds in a human-like way, holding a conversation or helping solve problems. Other examples. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, responding to voice commands. Smart home devices, controlling lights, thermostat, or appliances based on your instructions. This shows how AI actively interacts and communicates with humans in real time, making technology feel more human-like and responsive. Next up, perception. AI can sense and interpret its environment using cameras, microphones, sensors, or other input devices, much like humans use their senses. Daily life example, self-driving cars. AI uses cameras, LiDAR, and sensors to see the environment. It detects pedestrians, vehicles, traffic signs, and obstacles. Then it interprets all this information to navigate safely, without human help. Other examples, smart security cameras. AI detects movement or unusual activity in real time. Voice assistants. AI perceives and processes spoken commands. In short, perception is all about AI sensing and understanding the world around it, just like our own eyes, ears, and other senses do. 7. Predictions. AI can forecast future outcomes by analyzing past and current data. It looks for patterns, trends, and relationships to make smart, informed guesses. Daily life example. Weather forecasting. AI studies historical weather data, current conditions, and trends. It predicts future weather, like rain, temperature, or storms, with high accuracy. Other examples. Stock market predictions. AI forecasts stock price trends. E-commerce recommendations. AI predicts which products you might want to buy next. In short, AI predictions are all about using data to anticipate future events or behaviors, helping us make better decisions every day. Next up, automation. AI can handle repetitive or complex tasks automatically using algorithms, data, and decision-making models, cutting down the need for human intervention. Daily life example. Robotic vacuum cleaners. AI navigates your home, detects obstacles, and cleans automatically, no human control needed. Other common examples. Automated email sorting. AI organizes your inbox into folders. Factory robots. AI assembles products on production lines without manual effort. Smart irrigation systems. AI waters plants automatically based on soil and weather data. In short, AI automation is all about letting machines perform repetitive or complex tasks efficiently, freeing us up to focus on other things. 9. Problem solving. AI can analyze data, evaluate options, and find the best solution using logic and learned patterns, much like humans do when facing challenges. Daily life example. Medical diagnosis, systems. AI examines patient symptoms, medical history, and test results. It identifies possible diseases and suggests treatments, helping doctors solve complex medical problems. Other examples. Chess or strategy game. AI, black pawn. AI evaluates millions of moves to pick the best one. Route planning apps. AI finds solutions to traffic problems and recommends the fastest paths. In short, AI problem solving is all about analyzing situations and finding effective solutions, just like a human expert would, but faster and with supercharged data skills. Next up, planning. AI sets goals, evaluates options, and decides the best sequence of actions to achieve those goals efficiently, just like a human organizer. Daily life example: delivery apps. Apps like Uber Eats or DoorDash use AI to plan optimal delivery routes for multiple orders. It considers traffic, distance, and delivery time to make sure orders arrive quickly and efficiently. Other examples? Warehouse robots, Amazon. AI plans how robots move to pick and pack items efficiently. Event scheduling apps. AI organizes tasks, meetings, or resources in the most efficient order. In short, AI planning is all about setting goals and figuring out the best steps to achieve them, saving time, resources, and effort along the way. Today we explored what AI really is, how it works, and the ways it copies aspects of human intelligence, from learning and reasoning to perception, problem solving, and even creativity. AI might not think exactly like us, but it can analyze data, make predictions, interact, and even automate tasks in ways that make our lives easier and more efficient. So next time you use your favorite apps, chat with a virtual assistant, or see recommendations online, you'll know the AI behind it is learning, reasoning, and planning to make things smarter and faster for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI insights and tech breakdowns. Thanks for watching,